some months ago, we decided to take in an art company and an event company, and trying to merge them together with an IT company to see what the fuck is going on. And it's it's been going quite well and fucking hard. Literally, I just want to document this experiment where we try to merge in art, event, and IT. And when we talk about IT today, we talk a lot about AI, because it seems like AI is, or it seems like AI is here, and what we're trying to do is just to take our head right into the sauce, trying to understand what the fuck is going on, and see what we can do with AI. We realized for some months ago that our job as BI consultant is probably gone in some years, and we need to settle a new horse, learn to ride again. So we've been experimenting for some months now with just trying to understand where the AI is going and how we can use it as a company, and how we can take our skill as a BI consultant and learn new things. And it's been hell of a ride. 1 week ago, we got our first AI job to do a product, a SaaS project for one of our customers. We're going to build an ESG reporting system with AI from scratch. We've been building apps, and we're seeing pretty fast that you can create all sorts of apps and websites and applications in a blink of an eye. It's been going so fast today that we're being spoiled how fast it goes. Really, you can create a website in half an hour, 1 hour, and you get a quality website that has the basic functions. And it's just with vibe coding. And the thing that I'm trying to get to is to discuss really what we are as our group, because I really don't understand it. At the same time, I understand it, so I wanna try and have these videos of kind of an exploration where me as myself get to understand what we're trying to do, what we're doing, what we're creating, and what the philosophies and ideologies and ethics we're standing behind. Because I have a hard time navigating this. Hard time navigating this new AI era. At the same time, I'm having really easy navigating it. It's like always going in the dark, always seeing new stuff. Kughuset, which is an BI company, started in 2013. It was started by Conrad Leffler, who had an more than 20 years of experience in data and BI, working with another company that is called Xopen. This is Uncle started. It's companies that you probably don't know. And Conrad has been doing his BI work for 10 years. No, it's a lot of years. I can't even 20 years. I don't know. Long time. He's good. He's one of the best in Sweden. And he has a pretty, I was about to say hippie philosophy, but the kind of a philosophy that is hippie. He has an book for his employees that is called Medarbetarhandboken in Swedish, which is based on Valve's Dagbok as well, where they work in total decentralization, where every employee has the right to make his own choice, what he's wanna do, what he's wanna focus on, and yeah, so it's a decentralized company basically, and and it's been going well for him, and it's been ups and downs, as usually goes. And I came in here 2023 when I moved to Stockholm. I learned the craft of being a BI consultant from scratch, and more people came in. We Alexander, my cousin, came in. Evgenia came in, and at the same time, we Conrad also started Studio Lennart, which is an art company, where we focus on, or they focus on getting Amanda Lennart's art, Conrad's wife's art, out and trying to sell it and monopolize on it to get money from it. So we've been doing that for a while, trying to sell the art, which is pretty fucking good if you talk to me. And then we got in Björn Östman, which is an event and light, like he rents out lights and sound systems. He creates good parties. He's really good. He's creating raves, where he's been creating raves. He's been creating parties. He's been creating parties in all kind of different spots. So all of us gathered together, and we realized that, hey, we want to be with each other. We want to try and create something bigger. We want to try and be together and create a tribe or create a group. So Conrad introduced us to the idea of microsolidarity, which is a philosophy on how groups can intimately come together to instead of being individuals, we can be strong individuals in a group where we learn from each other, where we boost each other, where we like evolve. And instead of focusing on ourselves just to evolve, we can focus on how can we as a group evolve, and in that we need strong individuals as well. And the microsolidarity, which you can read more about, is a way of organizing groups that were both being emotionally intimate, but also being economical intimate, and how we can do it, and how we face the fears of being economical intimate with each other, how we share the economy. It sounds pretty sectic to me, and probably to you as well. Kind of ish a little, but it's a good friend once told that the more sex you have, the more you're gonna learn. So I go with that. Yeah, so we come together and we started this group Snacken Bergstad, which Conrad named. It's kind of main central figure if you don't realize it. Kind of sectic as well in some ways, but yeah, maybe not. Maybe it is. I don't know. So we're trying to do different projects. We've done Konstbuketten, where we try to sell Amanda's art out in the public in flower shops. That is right now going. We've been doing a whole clothing collection from Amanda's art, where we took the pattern and put it on clothes. Pretty decent clothes. It's really nice clothes. It's beautiful, beautiful made, beautiful. Yeah, it's fucking nice. Yeah. And that project went. We tried and do it. It was hard. It was expensive. It cost a lot of money, but we got the clothes out, and we kind of paused the project and moved on, which is both. I don't know if you call it bad or good. I don't know what to call it, but yeah. So we are essentially we have 3 different groups that has come together as one. We have Björn, which is the party fixer, as we can call him. Then we have the art companies, and then we have Kugghuset. And what has been going on there is that Kugghuset has been the main financer of the art companies, owner and owner's wife, and trying to finance that and get the money in, so we can try to get something out of it. But we realized that making money on art is fucking painful and hard. It's much easier making money on, let's say, IT, building customers solutions for customers that pays a lot of money. It's just easier, It's easier. Then we have Björn, which is also a real party fixer, which also drags in money. But right now our problem, or like our challenges right now, is how do we get money into this organization with the skills that we have. Because Kugghuset drives in a lot of money. We can, or at least we have it, we can. But when we don't have any consultant job, which we are in right now, it's hard supporting 8 persons, which we are. So what do we do? How do we solve this crisis that we are in? How do we evolve? How do we learn from this? I think one way of solving this is the easy way: get customers to buy our products. But then it's the question: how do we get customers to buy our products? How do we get them to buy our stuff? That is the hard question. And how do we also at the same time building an organization that can support each other and help each other and working on something bigger? An analogy here, as I see it, is that we are 8 people who will come to an island, who right now is gonna build a house. And we have some different skills, but we don't have really the skills to specifically build a house. So what we're doing is trying to build the best house that we can from the resources that we have. When I'm saying this, it sounds kind of fucked and skitsed. I don't know if it is. Maybe it is, maybe it's not. And we're trying to build this house as best as we can. And this house right now is, how do we use AI to evolve? What we're really exploring, what I want to know more about is how can we use AI to liberate ourselves from the work task, from the workflows, and how can we use AI to not become free, but how do we use AI to work less? Literally, can we use AI to work less, to be more sufficient with all the things that we have? How can we drag down the costs of all the things that we want to build? As I said earlier, you can build a website today in just some minutes. It's easy. It's really easy building a website today that works. In some years, every web designer is probably gone because it's so easy, and all the applications and SaaS services, you can build it easy. And if you want to if you want to build something new, it's gonna be really easy and cheap doing it because you can use AI to build it. So all the IT jobs that we have right now, building programs, websites, all this kind of stuff is what I've seen is going to drastically go down in cost. You can buy a program for just a cheap price, really cheap price, and probably, I don't know, you're gonna have an employee or a consultant who's just gonna come in, fix it fast, and then go out again. And because you can easily just sue it. I think it's the word, sue it at their needs, what they want and what they do, and it's just easy. It's easy. So yeah. But please, come and buy our art. We need money. Come and buy our products. I'm begging you. I'm begging you, please come buy our products. I don't know what to do else. I need money. I need money to buy food. I need money to buy things. So, I want to document this. What the fuck we're doing. I don't know what I'm doing right now, but that's okay. I want to document this and see what's happening. Bye.